Magnitude 4.6 earthquake, depth 137 kilometers, strikes Romania on the 3rd of December, 2023. Earthquake subject to change. Romania is a southeastern European country known for the forested region of Transylvania, ringed by the Carpathian Mountains. Its preserved medieval towns include Sighişoara, and there are many fortified churches and castles, notably clifftop Bran Castle, long associated with the Dracula legend. Bucharest, the country's capital, is the site of the gigantic, communist-era Palatul Parlamentului government building. Earthquake Info Credit, EMSC. Thank you for watching.